Tackler.
Yeah.
Hey, hello guys, good morning. It's Steve with the Outdoor Couple, and today I'm in Sacramento Valley hunting ducks with my godson, Michael Bailey. Michael, stand up and say hi.
Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome.
So we're out here this morning. We've got about a 22 mile an hour south wind and lots of birds in the sky. We've already got one goose down and we're looking to fill that limit. So stick around with us. Thanks for joining us today. I hope the action proves worthy. All right. Here we go. Watch how far it sails. To the jet. Nice. Oh, nice shot. All right. Might as well get all three.
Yeah.
That's a big snow. Right here, when they come straight over. Go. There, we got that one. There we go. I got him. Oh, he's dead. Hold it up, man. There you go. Nice little rustic snow.
Yep.
Go. They were up there. That's why they came in. They came right over. Oh, Jesus. That was cool. Oh, got one. So we're wrapping it up. Here's our take. We have 6 geese, 4 ducks. Not a bad morning, you know. We're wrapping it up a little late in the day, but we wanted to see what it was like in the afternoon. I have to tell you, it was disappointing, to be honest with you. But it's never disappointing being out here hunting. I love coming out here. It's something about being out here on flooded farmland, marshes, and pursuing waterfowl. You guys who do it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Nothing like it. Anyway, this is Steve with the Outdoor Couple. Mike Bailey back here. And we're gonna say, we'll see you on the next adventure.
Have a good one. Thanks all.